Hello everyone. During shifting, one of my aunt's very beautiful clay decorative piece got broken. So she was sad. So I thought of remaking it and gifting it to her. Seeing the smile on her face made my day. Let's see how I did it.
So today I am at my mom's place. The flowers are so beautiful, isn't it? So colorful. So here in this garden, I saw this broken vase made of clay. So I thought, why not give a makeover to this spot? So what do you all think? Let's do it, isn't it? Let's make this beautiful. So I am going to take this with me to another place, so where we can do the work. Let it be here.
First and foremost, let's break the remaining parts. Take a small hammer or anything heavy which can break the clay. We have to be very careful while breaking it. Once it can stand properly, that is, the base is flat, we are now going to take some white cement, some PVA glue and some water. Mix it well. Once it's done, we are going to apply it on the base. So we are actually flattening the base. Now we are going to take the clay paste and put it all over the decorative piece. We are going to make some texture with a comb. You can see how beautifully the texture has come. So we are going to repeat this process throughout the pot. We are going to repeat the steps for all the layers. Have you made something out of waste? If you have, do share with me what you have made so that I can also get some ideas from you all. So this is how beautiful it looks. The texture has come, so we have to let it dry. Now we are going to take some cutters. These are fondant cutters, that is cake fondant cutters, but we are going to use it on the clay. So that's the white clay that we are going to use, and a roller. It is very simple to use. Just press it and the beautiful flower is out. So we are going to repeat this process and make few of the patterns. Some flowers, some butterflies. Flowers will be of different shapes and sizes. So here are the patterns. They are looking so beautiful. Now we are going to take a sandpaper and just make the surface smooth. After that, we are going to stick all the flowers that we have made. This is already looking so pretty, isn't it? Now we are going to paint it with copper color. We are not going to paint the flowers. They will be white. And inside we are going to paint it with black. I'm going to highlight the holes with some white paint. Lastly, I'm going to brush it with some golden paint, just to give that shine, and our vase is ready. The beautiful decorative piece is ready. So you can keep it in your garden or at your home. You can decorate it as you like. So if you did like this video, like and comment. Also don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.